This is how to play You Are Faithful, O Lord. I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp because I don't know the original key of the song, okay? So without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm going to start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, You are faithful, O Lord. You are faithful, O Lord. Every day and every hour, you are faithful, oh Lord. Okay, it's quite easy, so let's break it down. You're gonna start first by playing the single notes. You're gonna move from 1, and then you're gonna go to 2, and then from here you're gonna hit your first chord, which is C sharp major, second inversion. Okay, C sharp major, second inversion. It's gonna sound like pa pa pa. And then from this chord, you're gonna go to number 5, which is this chord, G sharp major chord. And then from number 5, you're gonna go to number 6, which is B flat minor chord. So I won't be explaining all the chords to you guys. If you want to learn all these things, you can just join a private community. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. The price is 1,500 Rand. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. You're gonna say pa pa pa, and then number 5, number 6. So you can replace your number 5 with this chord. Okay, you can replace it with this chord. You're gonna play F on this note, A on this note, F on this finger, A on this finger, C on this finger, and then D sharp on this finger. Alright, it's gonna sound like You are faithful, and then Oh Lord, and then you go to number 6. So on the left, you're gonna say, you're gonna wait until you hit the chord, okay? You're gonna play the single notes, and then you hit number 1 on the left. If you choose to play this chord, you wanna go to the key of A, okay? It's gonna sound like pa pa pa, and then you hit this chord, you go to A, and then 6. So if you choose to play a normal number 5, which is G sharp major chord, you can play number 7, number 6. Okay, pa pa pa, number 7, pa pa. Okay, so you're gonna move from here. It's gonna say You are faithful. So it's gonna go to C sharp major second inversion, and then it goes to D sharp minor chord, and then it goes to C sharp major. All right, You are faithful, and then you're gonna go down with the same chords. Oh Lord. So on the left, when you say You are faithful, you wanna say 1, 2, 3. Okay, ba ba ba. And then when you come to this chord, you go to number 7, and then go to number 1 when you get to this one. I hope it's not confusing. Let's repeat it again for last time. You are faithful, and then Oh Lord. And then from here, you wanna go to C sharp major. Every day, it comes here. From here, it goes to our number 4. And every hour. From here, you're gonna go down with the chords, with the same chords that you played. You are faithful, and then Oh Lord. So on the left, when you play every day, you go to number 1. From number 1, you go to number 4, and every year you go to number 3. Okay, and then from number 3, you're gonna say number 4. You are faithful, number 5, and then you stay there until you close the song. Oh Lord. Okay, let me just play it. Let me not explain it, okay? Because I feel like I'm confusing you guys. Every day and every hour, You are faithful, oh gonna take it from the beginning. 1 and 2. You are faithful. Don't forget. Oh Lord. And you are faithful. Oh Lord. From here. Every day and every hour, you are faithful, oh Lord. This is how I personally play it.